Hello, thanks for dropping into the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So I have here a 128. It's a rather baffling thing. It's doing really nothing. Although it kind of did a little bit once. And that the power bar over here acknowledged that yes, something had power. So as it's not getting video, I'm going to pop out the two video chip things. Try. Set them side by side. Set this up here out of the way. And then grab this 128 that I have been using to test things. And I'm going to move the video chips over here because in a moment still a little bit warm, but it shouldn't be too bad. It shouldn't do anything bad. I'm going to leave it over here hanging out of the way. Okay, so you may have seen this before. I have the key. See, to really test these things, you got to have the keyboard because there's the 4080 mode. Okay, now as always, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. So here is what I figure is the 40 column video arrangement. And here is the chip that I just took out of the machine. That would do that thing. Now, okay, so that's in. So we will reconnect cabling. This is for the 80 column. And once again, with anything like this, I would really love to find a defective chip amongst the socketed chips. That would be dandy. Alright, now I think, well, I've not dropped this. Where is the business end? There it is. There it is. Here we have it. The power. So, ow. So this did work before with everything here. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this is the 80 column. And this is the 40 column. I'm going to set that over there. This is the one to test next. Yeah. Hang on. Push that over there. Push that over there. Reset. Okay. So that would seem to be working. I'm going to turn this down a bit. We don't need that all. That hum. All right, now I normally don't do this, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this chip over here in the configuration from whence it came out. I'm going to look this over and get it nicely lined up and push it in. And turn it on, and we're good. But I need to go to the 80 column mode and reset. All right. 80 column mode and the 40 column mode are dandy. So the only other thing here it's directly in line with video things, is the 8701 chip, which is a tiny little chip, but it's quite important. And wouldn't it be dandy if this was just the failure? But it probably won't be. There it is. The 8701. Alright, 8701 out, and in the configuration that it would be. And here's another 8701 in. Alright, that seems to be fine. Oh, that has already been popped. I guess getting up. So hit the reset, hit the button, we're okay. So, alright, well, the last time I did things like this, I took things out, and then I marked them to make sure that I knew what was what. So this is a U21, and I'm not putting it into this board, I'm just setting it over top of where the chips would go. Alright. Oh yeah, and this is no U that I can see, I believe. AT vid no U, because I think the U is covered by the circuitry. You know what? I don't want to take that chip out. It works. Okay. The 8701 can be a pain. Alright, so now I have the video chip. I have it lined up. It's funny, it doesn't feel quite right. How are the pins? They look okay. Okay, that's good. We're going in. And we're going in. And now, I'll turn this on. And we're up, and we're running, and we're happy. Happy, happy, happy. We are. So this is just a placeholder board where I put things after I take them out. Alright, I think, excuse me, I think the next thing I'm going to do next time we meet is I'm going to check the 6526 chips, because they can cause trouble. They can. So, we'll see you again soon as we continue this exploration of this 128. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.